Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a really good affiliate marketing method that you could use using free ebooks. And I'm going to show you how for free that you can have your ebook with your affiliate link inside of it, or links, plural, and have it out there on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, just to name a few, and all of it done for free, and have your ebook out there all over the world very quickly and have it for free. And when people download your ebook, of course your link is going to be in it, right? Your affiliate link, and you have a chance to make some really good money with this. Okay, so if this sounds good to you, let's go ahead and get started on it here. But first of all, I want to say to people that are new to my channel, if this is your first time to my videos or to my channel, you haven't yet subscribed, well, anytime during the video you feel like it, reach down there and become a subscriber to my channel. Click the subscribe button and click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Okay, all right, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, I'm going to be using a CLICKBANK product. I mean, you can do this with any niche. You can do it with any affiliate product that you want. Alrighty? And this whole thing is 100% free to do. And I'm going to show you this step by step and how to set this up. And then I'm going to show you where we're going to market this in a massive way. Okay? Alright, now, so what we're going to do is certainly just want to come over. I'm using CLICKBANK, and I'm going to be using the Make Money niche. I've clicked on e-business and marketing. You can see that CLICKBANK has changed up their look a little bit here on their pages and on their site and stuff, which, by the way, if you don't have an account at CLICKBANK, you just go to clickbank.com. It's free to sign up there. Just sign up. They'll send you an email confirmation, and then get signed up and come back over and click on the marketplace right there. Come back, get logged in, click on marketplace up here. You see where my mouse is, and it brings you over here to the affiliate marketplace page right here. And then, but like I said, I clicked on the e-business and marketing category here, and then I chose affiliate marketing. And I've already chosen a product here. I'm going to use the Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel here. And you can make about, well, almost $900 per sale on this as well. Now, what we do is after you get your product that you want to use here, we're just going to come back here in a little bit, and we will get our promotion link or get our affiliate link that we're going to be using here. Okay, so now what we want to do now is, like I said, we're going to be using free ebooks to do this. Now I come over here to this site right here. You see it is called Free PLR Downloads, and you can see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's freeplrdownloads.com. And I came here, and of course, to keep my niche congruent, I clicked on affiliate marketing right here in their link cloud right here, and it brought up all kinds of affiliate ebooks and books to do with affiliate marketing. And I chose this one right here. In fact, I've already downloaded this book into my computer and extracted it. It's in a zip file, and we will be using that. So once we get our ebook and keep everything congruent with what our niche is, we're in the Make Money niche. You can do this in the diet, the health and fitness. You can do this in relationship niche, whatever one you want to do it in. Just doesn't make any difference. Just pick one that you like. I've already downloaded this now. Then what we want to do is we want to come over and edit the PDF or ebook and put our affiliate links into this ebook. And for the editing, we're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called PDF Escape. If you look up here in the address bar, it's pdfescape.com. This is a free PDF or ebook editor that you can use. That, in fact, you don't even have to sign up, I don't think, to do this. We just come down here and we'll click free online right here. And then let's see here. We're going to upload our PDF to PDF Escape right here, guys. Click on that, and then we're going to choose a file to upload. And I come back over here to my downloads, and I believe it's right here. And we'll click on that, and then right there it is. You see, there's the ebook I told you I downloaded, How to Succeed in Affiliate Marketing. That's the PDF, and that's what we're going to upload. And it should bring it up here and then load it up for us, and there we go. Now, so what we want to do is we want to scroll down, and of course we're going to come back to CLICKBANK here now, and we're going to get our promotional link, our affiliate link. So we'll click on Promote right here. And you want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here, guys, and you can have a tracking ID. And he's got several on here that we could use, but I'm just going to leave it at the default page, and we can preview that here If I open that up here in another, and you can see that the page that they're going, the landing page that we're going to be directing people to is this one right here. It's his webinar that people can watch for free, and he gives a lot of value in this right here. And if someone purchases from this page, well, certainly you're going to make about $900 off of this particular product here. If you're using this product like I am, it's about $876 as you saw earlier. So we're going to click right here, create our hop link, and then there it is right down there at the bottom here. And now we're going to go ahead and copy that, and then we'll bring that back over here to PDF Escape. And what we're going to do is we're going to place our link in about 4 or 5 places throughout this book here. And I'm going to get past the introduction, get to chapter 1 right here. Okay, guys, as you can see, I pasted a link right in here. I had to take a minute to get used to how to work this thing. But you can see I typed in here, reserve your seat for the super affiliate free training. And then I put click here, and I've actually made this much of a link right here into the ebook. Alrighty. And the way I did that was it's come up here and I clicked on text. It put in a cursor right here, and I typed this in. Made it a little bit larger. It had it up here where I could make the text a little bit larger, and then so I made it larger to sort of fit the rest of the text in here. And then what you want to do that is to come down and do the very same thing. You want to do that down through the whole thing, about 4 or 5 down through the whole ebook. You want to insert another link here into that, in probably 1 in each chapter as we go on. So like if I go, I'm going to go ahead and try this again here. It's a little bit different on this particular site here. Yeah, and I've made it. So yeah, we can go ahead and all I'm doing is just typing in the same thing. Typing in reserve your seat for the super affiliate webinar. Maybe change it a little bit. Spell it right here. We'll be in good shape. Super affiliate webinar, free, and then just put like click here. And then we can actually take that and move that around, and you can set it, just kind of move it a little bit, try to make it look uniform with the rest of it. And then we're going to come and we're going to click on link here. Alright guys, and you can see I've typed it in here, and I put that little box around here by clicking on link, and it allowed me to put a little box around there, and I can go ahead and put the link right in there on that. Alrighty guys, and you can see that when we clicked on it, it brings up our link properties here, and we'll paste our CLICKBANK link in right there, and then just click OK, and that makes that a link right there. So that's a couple of places there. About 1, you want to put 1 in each chapter down through here. Okay, and when you get that done, then what you want to do is to save it up here, right over here it is, right there on the left side, and save the document right here where you see my mouse is, and then you can download it, save and download it back to your computer. Now, once you get your ebook and all the links in your ebook, your affiliate links, then you've downloaded it back to your computer. After you save it, here's where you're going to come over here, and we're going to market this thing right here on this site, guys. If you look right here, it's called Bookrix. Bookrix. Up here in the address bar it is, guys. It's bookrix.com. What this site does is they will publish for you for free your ebook all over the place. And what you want to click on here is the self-publishing right up here where you see my mouse is right here, guys. Click on that, and if we come over here, it talks a little bit about self-publishing made easy. It says how to become an author with Bookrix, the quick and easy way to your ebook. It says, are you looking for a professional publishing partner? We won't leave you alone. With us, your ebook will find its way into all important stores, guys. Thanks to our many years of experience, we are always there to help and advise you. Finally, share your stories with the world, easy, fast, and successful. And then you just simply click here to sign up, and it brings you over here and it pulls this out. You can actually sign up with a local account here, guys, or Facebook, Twitter, or Google. So it's entirely up to you how you want to do that. And what they say down here says delivery of your ebook to all large and a variety of small ebook shops. And we click right here. It should come up, and you can see right here, guys, that they will publish your ebook on Amazon, on Apple Books, Baker and Taylor Books, Barnes and Noble Books, Google Play, Kobo, and many more places. They will place your ebook for you, all for free. It says there's no costs and no long-term contract commitment, and you even get an ISBN number completely for free for your ebook. Every book has an ISBN number, which I guess makes it so it's yours, I guess. So kind of copyright protection, and I guess, and all that. I'm not real sure without looking that up for that, but it's a good thing. So you can have your book published on all the famous ebook websites in the world right here from this one platform. They will do that for you, and then you can choose to have your ebook. If you want to put a price on your ebook, you can do that too. Or I think with your affiliate link in the ebook, in all the chapters, you got at least one link in all your chapters. I think that probably would be enough. Just go ahead and offer it for free on all of those sites. Let them put it out there for you for free, and then when people download it, it's got all your affiliate links in there, and if they click on it, any of those links, well, that's going to give them an opportunity to come over here and make a sale, and you'll have an opportunity to make some really good money doing that. And that ebook will be out there forever, guys. Once it's basically like set it up once and forget it, and you're done. I mean, it's just out there, and then you can come back. What about if you had 6 or 7 ebooks out there, all in with your affiliate links in all those ebooks out all over the world and all those different places? Why, that you can see the power of that there's an opportunity there to make an incredible amount of money doing affiliate marketing in that way, using this amazing site right here called Bookrix, and they will get your book out there for you for free in all the major ebook stores or online bookstores. Guys, that is the method I had for you today. I wanted to show you how to do that, and you just want to edit your ebook. You don't have to use PDF Escape if you don't want to. It's a little bit tough to do it, I think, on this site. I was able to finally figure out how to do it and get my link in there, but it needs to be put in all the other chapters as well. Anyways, you could use Google Docs to edit your PDF or whatever. You could use any other free PDF editor out there like Sejja.net. They also, it's probably a little bit easier to do it there. It's probably even easier to do it on Google. But you just want to get your links, your links in there, similar like what you see I have right here, into your ebook. Save it and download it, and then come back and publish it on Bookrix and let them publish your book for free out all over the internet in all those book stores on the internet. Guys, that's the method I had for you today. If you like this, reach down and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you didn't already do it, and click that notification bell and become a subscriber on my channel. Appreciate it. And then also, have any comments about this particular method, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see a free video presentation that I have that'll show you the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out what I've got available there for you in a free video presentation that'll show you the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.